Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel for more videos. So today I'll be sharing some brain boosting activities which can be done with your 3 to 5 year olds. Depending on the age group of your child, these worksheets or activities can be modified and given to your kids. So my first activity worksheet is spot the difference between these two pictures. Here what I have done, I have drawn two similar kind of pictures with difference in it. So in the first picture, as you can see, there are flower, there's a butterfly, a sun. So what the child needs to do, the child needs to observe these pictures and then observe the second picture and identify and circle the difference between these two. For example, there are 6 petals in this picture. But over here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 is missing. So the child has to circle it. Next is butterfly. We can see spots in the butterfly over here. But over in here there is no spots in this picture. So the child needs to circle the butterfly. Similarly for sun, for grass. So you can either ask the child to circle it or draw petals over here, draw spots over here. So this kind of activity is not only interesting for the child but is also good for brain development. I would recommend, if you are just introducing these kind of activities to your kids, then try to give them easy ones like this one. And gradually you can increase the difficulty level. My next worksheet is match the patterns. So in this activity, the child needs to observe and find the same patterns drawn in the right hand side. You can also draw any patterns either like this one, or you can draw fruits, vegetables, shapes and their patterns in the right hand side. This activity can be taken to another level, that is, at first you can ask the child to match the patterns and then you can ask them to cut and paste the patterns on the left hand side beside the correct pictures. For example, at first the child will observe that this is a star and there are some spots in it. So the child needs to find the same spots of the same color and then match it like this. Similarly for this one, the Easter egg, and the pattern is this. And then once the child is done with matching all the patterns, you can ask them to cut it and paste it beside this. This will boost their fine motor skills as well because it involves cutting and pasting activity. Try this cut and paste activity only if your child is able to hold and work with scissors, or you can cut for them and the child can enjoy pasting the patterns beside the correct pictures. My next worksheet is follow the color pattern and color it. Here I have drawn a caterpillar and I have colored the first 3 circles. Now the child needs to follow the color pattern and complete the caterpillar by coloring it in the same pattern. So this activity will not only boost the child to think and follow the pattern but also keeps them engaged for a couple of minutes. They can also use their fingertips and take paint and then color it in the circles. as it involves coloring as well. You can give them crayons, color pencils, paints, or anything of your choice. So my next worksheet here is spot the difference. In this activity, the child needs to spot the different picture and then circle it. So as we can see that this fish and this fish looks similar, but this one is the different one. So the child needs to circle it. In the next picture also we can see that this smiley face and this smiley face is similar, but this one is different. But this one is different. So the child needs to again circle it like this. Similarly for the leaf, this leaf looks similar, but this is the different one. Similarly for the boat, this is the different one. So you can increase the difficulty level as per your child's age. My next worksheet here is I spy with my little eye. Here the child needs to count and find objects in the box and write the number of objects in the space here. This activity requires a lot of concentration and improves counting skills as well. For example, the first picture is sun. So the child needs to find and count all the sun in the picture and then write it in the space here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 suns. So the child needs to write 5 over here. Similarly for the rainbow, we can spot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 rainbows. Similarly for the moon, star and clouds. So these DIY worksheets are super fun indoor activities which will not only help in improving child's logical thinking, but also it's good for developing their concentration. You can easily customize these activities according to your child's age group. Try to make these worksheets as colorful and attractive as possible so that the kid enjoys doing it. We will be coming up with more and more brain boosting activities, logical thinking activities, worksheets for preschoolers and toddlers. If you want to take print of these worksheets for your personal use, you can visit my Facebook page and can download them and can use it for your kids. I hope this video was useful and informative for you all. So try these activities with your kids and do let us know your views and experience with us in the comment section below. Hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.